Mga marites ni Chongde.
BTS Suga will be summoned for DUI incident. It was reported that BTS Suga is set to summon for questioning regarding allegations of riding an electronic scooter while under the influence of alcohol. According to sources from Yongsan Police Station in Seoul on August 11, it was confirmed the plan to formally summon Suga. They believe that there's a need to investigate about an incident and the amount of alcohol he consumed. The BTS member reportedly fell off an electronic scooter near in Hanamdong, Yongsan. A patrolling officer tested him with breathalyzer, which resulted that his alcohol content is 0.227%, which is above the license revocation threshold of 0.08%. Suga began his mandatory military service in March